Assalamu alaikum dear students, once again welcome back to Umm Al Qura education system e-learnings. It's your English grammar lecture and I am your English teacher Anam. Today we will going to learn about the nouns. What are nouns? In the video, what are nouns? So what is a noun? A noun is a naming word. It can name a person, place, thing, animal, etc. Everything you can see around you, it's a noun. You can see your bed, you can see the window, you can see outside birds flying, you can see sky, etc. Everything has a name and it is a noun. Also, nouns are very easy to learn. Name of a person. Here are the examples of noun. Noun is a name of a person. It's Scarlet. It may be a football, it may be a doctor, it may be a teacher, it may be a boy, it may be an actor. Name of a person, it can anything. Okay. Now the next example is it is the name of a place. It can be a name of a place. It may be school. We are talking about London. It's the name of a place. Shop, church, swimming pool, beach. These are all considered noun. The next one is name of a thing. Name of a thing, it can be a book, it can be a cat, it can be a pencil, it can be television, it can be ball, it can be chair. So now in this page you have to find out the nouns. Tell me, candle is a noun, pretty is a noun, dancing noun, owl is a noun, bird, Joshua, flying, plane, car, tree, brown, crispy, tall, trousers, t-shirt, bed, dog, jacket, skipping rope, shiny. This is your task. You have to find out the nouns and share it in the comments. Okay. Now again you have to tell me, can you find the noun in the sentence? Click for the answer. The dog is wet. So what is the noun? Dog. What is the noun? Dog. The next one is also an example. Can you find the noun in the sentence? Look at the beautiful owl. Owl, look at the beautiful owl. Answer, owl is the name of a bird, so it's a noun. Solve the puzzle below by finding the correct noun. Something you use for cutting bread. What we use for cutting bread? Is it a knife? Is it a spoon? Is it a cat? Or is it a bed? Very good. Obviously, it's a knife. Solve the puzzle again. A place you go to learn. Where we go to learn? Tell me. You go to learn to park, to school, recorder, or candle. Where you go to learn? Obviously, we go to learn to the school. Again, you have to find out the correct answer or correct noun. Something you use to write with. Do you write with scooter or strawberry? Or you take help from the book? Or do you use a pencil to write? What is the correct answer? Very good. It's a pencil to write. This is the end of our topic today. If you have any question regarding to the topic, you can contact me on the given information. Please like my channel and also watch my videos on this channel. Like, subscribe and share Umm Al Qura online education. Follow us on also on Facebook. This is the link I have shared over here. Thank you so much giving me your time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.